How is it?
It's really, I really love it. It's so light. It's like light and airy.
And also that bread with it. The combo of everything is so
It's
good.
just, I don't know, it just doesn't hit you in the face. Like everything goes.
Yeah,
it's
it
cohesive.
doesn't feel so heavy.
I absolutely love this. The way we did it tonight, I will be doing this many, many times in the future.
High five.
I can't explain why I've been jonesing Italian so hard lately. It's like every day.
It's your favorite, that's why.
No, I like Mexican food a lot. But for some weird reason, like for the last month or so, I'm like, I don't know, how about some pasta? That's what we're doing again today. By the way, got this weird $6 bottle of wine today. Gnarly Head, Grateful Dead. It doesn't taste like $6. It tastes like at least $7.
Nice.
Decent.
Score.
I've had half of it. I'm hungry as hell. I haven't had but a half an English muffin 11 hours and 12 minutes ago. So let's do this real quick. We're making bruschetta chicken. Decided to mix things up a tad though, right? We're not just doing our traditional red pasta, blah, blah, blah. Mm-hmm. So I went with bucatini.
Oh, nice.
This is a good one too. It's a good bucatini. I don't know a bad bucatini, but this is a good bucatini.
Okay.
So that's that. Chicken is already tenderized and marinating in a bowl and ready to go on the flat top in a few. I'm going to start making the bruschetta topping in a few minutes. I've got some on the vine ripened tomatoes. So we're going to cut that up, chop up some basil, throw it in a bowl. I'm going to put a hefty amount of mozzarella in that and Parmesan. Garlic I have here, that's a lot of garlic.
Yes.
Yeah, so I don't know if, I always say, I don't know if I'm gonna, I just want to punch myself in the head. I'm so hungry, I'm hangry.
I am too.
Okay, so some of the garlic is going in the bruschetta topping.
Okay.
Some of the garlic is going to go in when I toss the pasta, because what I'm going to do to mix it up, make things a little different, I'm going to boil my pasta until it's al dente, which I don't know. I hardly ever make bucatini. It says 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay.
So I'm going to trust it. And then I'm going to toss it in a pot with lots of butter, hot oil. Can you even see me over there?
Yeah.
Are you hangry too?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, you.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to toss it in there with garlic, butter, hot oil. Then it's going to go into a big bowl similar to that.
Okay.
Because that's when I'm going to add a ton of Parmesan, because I don't want it to burn on my pan. So it's going to be piping hot pasta,
Yum.
Parmesan getting mixed in there,
Okay.
maybe some Italian seasoning.
My mouth is watering, and
By
I
the
want
way,
to eat
this
all that bread.
give this a sniff.
Let me smell. Oh my heaven!
This is
Wait.
what it says NHTC. I don't know what that means.
Yeah.
Parmesan herb ciabatta.
Yum.
Oh, I just want to. I don't know.
Yeah, me too.
I'm so hungry right now.
Oh.
So let's hurry up
so
and just
good.
get this over
Yeah,
with.
let's stop talking. Get
All right,
cooking.
off we go.
Good looking. Yep.
So we're going to get started on our bruschetta topping. So I'm going to gut these tomatoes real quick. You invited Bryson
Yeah.
tonight. What do you say?
I don't know if he's coming.
Really?
Uh-huh.
I'm actually hoping he comes. Last time, so Bryson's our son. He's our adult son. And last time he was here, he swore to me that he watched all the videos. You know that? You know how he and I like to goof on each other all the time?
Yeah.
I thought of the most diabolical prank. And before you get all crazy, because I know you, I obviously couldn't do this. Hilarious, though. I choked on a sweet tart while I was in the store because I started laughing out loud. It was so funny.
Oh, gosh.
So, to prove to him that he doesn't watch our videos, because I know he doesn't. He might like glimpse at them here and there, but I know he doesn't watch them. If I were to plug his phone number in the video and then tell everyone who watches the video to send him like a heart emoji or a kissy face or like a I dreamt about you last night or congratulations, you're a daddy, like something like that. I don't know. The thought had me dying because knowing him, he wouldn't see it, number one, in the video. So he wouldn't know that we did it. He would think he got hacked or something and he'd be texting you like, Mom, I got a virus on my phone. Something's going on. I need a new cell phone. I keep getting all these hearts on my phone, these weird texts from random numbers.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if that's a funny prank.
That's the perfect prank.
Yeah, Your idea of funny is not my idea of
I
funny.
would die.
Yeah, I would be
I still
pissed.
kind of want to. It's 9-1. No, I'm kidding. I don't
Yeah.
even know his number by heart. But I would die laughing if we did that. Okay,
Yeah.
so stupid funny joke in lieu of my dad jokes.
Yep.
I still kind of want to do it, but I want to do it when we have like 50,000 subscribers.
Yeah, we're not going to do that. Anyways.
It's an option. It's an idea. We'll talk about it later. So we'll finish cutting these. Chop up some of that. Cheese is already grated. We didn't touch the parm yet because I like to use this fancy deal. So let's just let everyone skip the BS and then we'll come back to it. Okay, so we'll finish up the last couple tomatoes. And then we'll toss those in the bowl. And also get our basil bunched up. Which we want it pretty fine. I mean, it doesn't have to be crazy, but we want it nice and fine to mix in and get it all over the place, which I'm good at doing.
Yep.
So we'll pop all that in there. And then we'll add to that a bunch of mozzarella. Like, we need a ton of mozzarella because I want it to melt all over the top of this chicken. So it's going to look like a Christmas tree mixture.
All right.
It's going to be delicious though. So I go like that. Maybe more. Yep, more. I got to wash my hands. All right. Olive oil going in hot, but not because it's cold. Some garlic. Pretty hefty amount of garlic too. Probably whatever that is, that's what we're using. And then some fresh parm. For 4 hours.
It's fast.
Look how pretty that looks. It's like it's snowing.
And it smells
A little
delicious.
pepper. A little more. A little salt. And now
The mix.
mix the mess. So yeah, it does not look like a traditional bruschetta topping, but again, it's because we really want like this melty layer of cheese all over the top of our chicken when it comes out of its finished cook in the oven. But that, oh my.
Pretty, yeah, and it smells delish. Oh man. Just eat a scoop.
No, it's okay. It's time to drop our bucatini. Saw a guy do this. Never works for me, but they do this weird thing. I'll just go like that. And let that get mixed around. Add some salt. Where's the salt? There we go. And then in just a few minutes, we'll get working on that chicken. The rest of this is going to go super fast. Basically, cook the chicken, throw it in the oven with some cheese, get the bread warmed up, olive oil, vinaigrette. I eat. Oh, and
Or fancy.
homie don't play.
Yep.
All right, so the bucatini is about halfway done. And this is smoking hot. By the way, we want this like Diablo sauce from Taco Bell hot when it's cooking because I want to cook it just under because it's still going to go in the oven after the fact. So we're pretty screaming right now. Get all these on one day. And I think it's just a hair under. I mean, I think it's probably really close to all the way cooked. If I let it sit for a few minutes, it would finish. But it's going to go in the oven still, so I didn't want it all the way. So I'm just going to cover the hell out of it. Oh, that's going to melt. That's going to melt everywhere. It looks like crisp. So that's good and hot. Pasta's going down. And there's a ton of butter in there, almost a full stick. And I might even add some more. But for now, I just want to get this kind of cooking off. Just to finish the pasta. And in the meantime, I think we can pop this bread in the oven just to warm it. And that chicken looks like it's almost there. It's real close. So we'll get this going for, I'd say, 5 minutes maybe. And I might even drop just a little more butter.
We won't film for the whole 5 minutes.
Come on, buddy.
We got our salad prepped. Everything ready to go. Can't wait to eat.
Yeah, so again, I'm not going to put parm in this right now. I just don't want to burn it all over the pan. I'd rather toss it in this bowl and then hit it with a ton of parm And then it should be right as rain to go in our serving dish. I'm going to take this out in sections. And yeah, this isn't the fanciest looking bowl, but it's ideal for what we're doing. And then I'm going to grate some fresh parm right here over the top.
Pretty.
Yeah, it takes freaking forever. It's stupid, but.
Yeah, that pasta, wow.
And then again, more pasta. Probably do 3 layers.
Final bit. Mix the pasta.
All right, let's pop it in our serving dish. Whoa, got away from me.
Yum. So pretty.
Fuck.
Oh, beep. Last piece going on.
And then, just to finish that.
I was gonna say more parm.
Oh yeah.
Such a pretty dish, so colorful. And low carb.
Yeah.
Low calorie.
No carb.
Yeah. And then that bread.
Yeah, I'll pull the bread out real quick.
All right, let's see the bread. And then our salad. He's gonna do a balsamic.
Yeah, let's just finish her off.
All right.
So, a little bit of balsamic in here.
Okay.
And some salt and pepper.
Looks divine.
Bust off a piece of that bread. Here, I'll take the. Yeah, you just.
Okay.
It's hotter than hell.
All right, I'm just gonna use this.
Oh my God, you should have tore it.
Okay, ready? Oh gosh, it's hot. Oh, that bread.
It's bomb.
Shocking.
Ridiculous.
Okay, ready? Here I go. Mmm. So good. Bomb. Did it again.
Like, oops, I did it again?
Oops, you did it again. Delish.
Okay, I'm going to film you eating the whole piece of chicken now.
Oh, no, thank you.